Welcome to Echoes of Nature. Today, we're exploring the life of the tree kangaroo, a marsupial that's anything but ordinary. While most kangaroos prefer the ground, this one has mastered the art of climbing trees. Let's explore 5 amazing facts about this remarkable creature. At number 1, a kangaroo in the trees. Unlike its cousins who hop across the ground, the tree kangaroo is an arboreal creature, spending much of its life in the trees where it's safe from predators. At number 2, strong climbers. Tree kangaroos are exceptional climbers, using their powerful limbs and prehensile tails to navigate through the branches with ease. At number 3, native to rainforests. These fascinating animals are found in the lush rainforests of Papua New Guinea and parts of northern Australia, where they thrive in the dense canopy. At number 4, not a common sight. Due to their remote habitat, tree kangaroos are not easily spotted, making them elusive creatures that often go unnoticed by most people. At number 5, slower than ground kangaroos. Tree kangaroos are not built for speed. They move more slowly and cautiously through the trees compared to their ground-dwelling relatives. The tree kangaroo is a true marvel of nature, perfectly adapted to life in the trees. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible marsupial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of Nature. Let us know in the comments which animal you'd like us to explore next.